Alright guys, welcome back. We're working on this 4L60E and we just did the low roller housing. I wanted to just refresh you before we go further. If you listen to the sound, that little sound should be usually indicates a good roller housing. Okay, before you put this in, you need to put in your anti-clunk spring. The anti-clunk spring is very important, and the way I'm going to do it is, if you look at this thing, you'll see it looks like a shoe. Okay, that reminds me of a boot. This being the toes of the boot, that being the toes of the boot, and this where you put your foot in. Okay, point the toes to your right. This is your valve assembly right here, that area, and slide that thing with the toes going to the right at 5 o'clock. Drop it in there. Should be good. Alright, now that you have the anti-clunk in there, let me do that once again in case you didn't see it. Anti-clunk, looks like a shoe. Put it in with the toes going to the right. Toes down, toes to the right. Now we can install the low roller housing. Okay, when you put the low roller housing in, you want the flat side towards you and the hat side towards the bottom, and you're going to just put it in there like so. There's a big wide spot right here. This big wide spot goes with this big wide spot here. So you want to align those two wide spots. Like yay. That's basically it right there. Okay, once you got that in place, you want to take your hand, press down, well, I'm going to have to stand the transmission up. Hang on one second.